Watch how a fresh green coconut becomes pure factory-made perfection.
Welcome! Today, I'll guide you through the full journey of coconuts, from farm to oil.
A new day begins where nature grows one of Earth's most versatile gifts. Every harvest starts with careful inspection of the trees. Traditional climbing techniques ensure safe and efficient access to coconuts.
Only mature coconuts are selected for processing.
Each fall is cushioned to maintain quality. Sorting begins right from the field. The first transport stage begins from the farm itself. These coconuts travel from remote fields to the nearest collection point.
A central village hub organizes bulk movement to factories.
Every coconut is judged for purity and consistency. Once sorted, coconuts are packed for long-distance factory transport. This journey connects farms to modern processing facilities. Here begins the transformation from raw fruit to refined products. Bulk unloading quickly feeds the processing line. Powerful water jets remove dirt and farm residue. Mechanical brushes polish each coconut for the next step.
Only defect-free shells proceed to processing.
Industrial splitters open the coconuts with precision force. The precious coconut water is separated for beverage use. Cold press extraction maintains purity and natural aroma. Filtration removes fibers and impurities. Controlled heat clarifies the oil without damaging nutrients. This final refinement ensures crystal clear premium quality. Purified coconut oil rests inside sterile storage tanks. Careful cooling improves texture and natural aroma.
The oil travels through sealed, food-grade pipelines. Every bottle is sterilized to meet strict safety standards. High-speed fillers ensure fast and accurate dispensing.
Each label carries essential traceability data.
Precision labeling ensures a clean, premium appearance.
Every batch is checked to guarantee accurate volume. Clarity tests ensure pure, crystal bright oil.
Defects are detected and removed instantly. Packaging teams prepare cartons for bulk orders. Bottles move in formation to the packing bay.
Human attention adds the final touch of perfection.
Bottles are grouped and boxed securely. Industrial sealers ensure strong, tamper-proof packaging.
Packed cartons are stacked carefully on pallets.
Shrink wrapping protects products during shipping.
Forklifts transport bulk orders to dispatch zones.
Rows of pallets wait for distribution across the country.
Smart logistics ensures timely deliveries.
Packed orders are loaded for long transport routes.
Every load is secured to prevent damage. Once sealed, the journey to markets begins. From farm to factory to the world, Polecu, the process continues.
Every shipment is tracked live, ensuring full transparency.
The journey begins across long highways and changing landscapes. Regional hubs handle sorting and rerouting. Professionals handle each pallet with precision.
Every batch is scanned and registered into the system.
Sorting lines distribute products based on region and demand.
Local vans deliver fresh stock daily.
From the factory to your neighborhood. No, the journey continues.
Fresh coconut oil arrives at retail shelves.
Store teams double-check packaging and expiry.
Electronic labels display real-time pricing.
Customers select coconut oil for cooking, beauty, and wellness.
A simple purchase starts the next part of the journey. Coconut oil enters homes as a natural essential.
Its rich aroma enhances everyday cooking.
Naturally nourishing for hair and scalp.
Gentle and safe for all ages.
A timeless ingredient in traditional medicine.
A modern energy source for athletes.
A healthier alternative in baking recipes.
Used creatively for natural crafts.
A key ingredient in natural skincare products.
Some batches are shipped across borders. Exports support global coconut oil demand. From coastal farms to international waters.
Loved by families across generations.
standing proudly on store shelves worldwide.
Our coconut oil reaches shelves in countries around the world.
Customers can also order conveniently online.
Real-time tracking ensures timely global delivery.
Air cargo supports rapid delivery for international orders.
Coconut oil is a trusted natural remedy in wellness routines.
A natural energy booster for an active lifestyle.
Coconut oil keeps skin soft and hydrated naturally.
Used worldwide for hair care and shine.
Enhancing flavors naturally in gourmet cuisine.
Safe and gentle for babies and sensitive skin.
Rich, creamy, and authentic. A taste of tradition.
Sustainable practices nourish the soil and trees.
Coconut trees take years to mature, ensuring quality fruit. Sustainable methods protect both trees and environment. Byproducts are reused for soil enrichment.
Water conservation is part of sustainable farm management.
Every part of the coconut is valued, reducing waste.
Our plantations encourage biodiversity.
Renewable energy powers our production sustainably.
Safety is a top priority throughout production.
Advanced monitoring ensures precision and quality.
Energy-efficient lighting reduces carbon footprint. All wastewater is treated responsibly before release.
Used packaging materials are recycled efficiently.
The factory strives for carbon neutrality in operations. From seed to refined oil, the life cycle is carefully managed. We work closely with communities for ethical sourcing.
Every harvest is a story of dedication and care.
Coconut oil forms the foundation for a wide range of products.
And so the cycle continues. Nature, technology, and community working together.
Start your day with natural goodness.
Enhancing flavors naturally without preservatives.
A natural solution for shiny, healthy hair.
Soft and nourished skin all day long.
Creativity flows with natural ingredients. Baking healthier treats is effortless with coconut oil.
Golden, crispy, and naturally flavored. a smooth, rich addition to daily drinks.
A versatile base for homemade skincare solutions. Trusted in wellness centers worldwide. Natural recovery and muscle relaxation.
An essential ingredient for natural cosmetics.
Sustainably packaged for conscious consumers.
Inspiring new ways to use coconut oil daily.
Promoting health benefits through educational content.
Featured in modern and traditional recipes alike.
Empowering beauty routines naturally.
A versatile ingredient embraced worldwide.
Trust Portland. Trusted by professionals for balanced nutrition.
Bringing families together with healthy meals.
Robotic capping seals freshness inside every bottle.
Sharing the story of purity and wellness online.